underscore underscore import underscore underscore name, comma globals is equal to none, comma locals is equal to none, comma from list is equal to method blank uh, blank tuple label is equal to 0. Note, this is an advanced function that is not needed in everyday Python programming, unlike import leaf.import underscore module. This function is invoked by the import statement. It can be replaced by importing the built-in module and assigning to built-ins dot underscore underscore import underscore underscore in order to change semantics of the import statement, but doing so is strongly discouraged as it is usually simpler to use import hooks CPEP 302 to attain the same goals and does not cause issues with code which assumes the default import implementation is in use. Direct use of underscore underscore import is also discouraged in favor of import leaf.import underscore module. The function imports the module name, potentially using the given globals and locals to determine how to interpret the name in a package context. The from list gives the names of objects or submodules that should be imported from the module given by name. The standard implementation does not use its locals argument at all and uses its globals only to determine the package context of the import statement. Label specifies whether to use an absolute or relative imports. 0, the default means only perform absolute imports. Positive values for label indices the number of parent directories to search relative to the directory of the module calling underscore underscore import underscore underscore cpep 328 for details. When the name variable is of the form package dot module, comma normally the top level package and the name of till the first dot is returned, not the module named by name. However, when a non-empty from list argument is given, the module named by name is returned. For example, the statement import spam results in bytecode resembling the following code. Spam is equal to import spam, comma globals, comma locals, empty list, comma 0. The statement import spam dot ham results in this code. Spam is equal to import spam dot ham globals locals empty list 0. Note how import returns the top level module here because this is the object that is bound to a name by the import statement. On the other hand, the statement from spam.ham import x sausage as sauce results in temporary is equal to import spam.ham comma globals comma locals comma x sausage comma 0. X is equal to temp dot x sauce is equal to temp dot sausage. Here, the spam.ham module is returned from import. From this object, the name to import are retrieved and assigned to their respective names. If you simply want to import a module potentially with package by name, use import leaf.import module. Changed in version 3.3, negative values for label are no longer supported, which also changes the default value to 0. Changed in version 3.9 when the command line options minus capital E or minus I are being used, the environment variable python case OK is now in the footnotes. Note that the parser only accepts the Unix style end of line convention. If you are reading the code from a file, make sure to use new line conversion mode to convert Windows or Mac style new lines. Thank you.